at the beginning, I'm very happy to got this award, and I'm very thanks to the sponsor, to the organizer, give me this chance. And secondly, I would like to uh, thanks to my advisor, Ajahn Tamanun, the Dr. Tamanun. He helps me a lot. And lastly, I am, because this kind of these papers I publish is just a review paper. I would like to continue my study in the future to give more valuable result, valuable paper, and valuable more contributive papers, and especially in the areas of the social responsibility and the environmental issue, and also the international contractor in the mega project. And yeah, that's all. Thanks a lot.